Hi folks, Jim the AMSOIL man here. Yeah, I'm here today to present a new product that AMSOIL just came out with to the car care line, and that would be the quick detailer. Now last year I did a video on the ceramic spray, and that's excellent protecting your vehicle up to a year. Now, a lot of your ceramic applications need to be applied by a professional. This could be just simply, it's a do-it-yourself, spray on and wipe off, and it'll protect your car up to a year. A few weeks ago I did a video on Miracle Spray. Now this has been out for years. AMSOIL has had it in their product offering for many years. And it's just a spray on and wipe off. It's a car wash in a bottle. Also has a wax component that also protects your vehicle from the elements. Anyway, today we're talking about the quick detailer. And this goes pretty good hand in hand with the ceramic spray. Because all it is, it raises the dirt off like dust in between car washes. Say you're at a car show or something like that and you don't have access to your water. And like right now I'm in a campground and I just washed my truck the other day, but it's dusty, a lot of dusty roads around. But so all you got to do is spray it on and wipe it off, and it's got kind of a lubricity towards it, and it doesn't leave streaks or anything like else like that. It brings out the shine from your ceramic spray, and it's beautiful. And it's great for if you don't have access to a car wash or anything like that. And they all go well together. And you know, the only problem I have here now, I have a clean spot on the truck here, and I'm gonna have to take care of that. So anyway, I'm gonna have the video for the ceramic spray on here too, and the Miracle Wash. Thank you for watching, folks. Take care and God bless. Hi folks, Jim the AMSOIL man here. I've got another product demo for you today. What we're talking about today is AMSOIL's Miracle Wash. Now it's a waterless car wash, and it also lifts up the dirt, the road grime that you have on there. You spray it on and you just wipe it off. What's great about this is you could take your motorcycle to a show, or your classic car to a show, or even a regular car, and you want to look it nice. You're there with your friends or whatever, and you pull out this. There's no water around, you can't wash it. Well, that's where this comes in. Pretty easy to use. Just spray it on. Oh, it's not gonna take the mud off if you're out mudding or anything like that. But I'm just talking about some road dust and stuff like that that you pick up, and grime. You know, sometimes you just wash your car and you look at it not long later and it's got dust on it and stuff, and you don't like it. And for me, it really bothers me when my hood's dirty. So that's why I'm cleaning my hood right now. It's really easy, just wipe it off and you're good to go. Now if you had a bike, a motorcycle like that, you'd be all done in a few minutes. Have your bike lights down, looking great, and you're good to go. So anyway, thanks for watching, folks. And while I'm filming this today, today's Father's Day, so happy Father's Day for all those folks out there. Thank you for watching, folks, and take care. Hi folks, Jim the AMSOIL man here. Hey, it's October 1st, beautiful day, but we all know winter's just right around the corner. And you know what you gotta do then? You gotta protect those winter toys, put them away, but you also gotta protect your vehicle, and more importantly, finish your vehicle. We can help you with that at AMSOIL, with AMSOIL ceramic spray. Now most ceramic sprays need to be applied by a professional. It costs a lot of money, and they last for several years. AMSOIL has formulated a synthetic spray that is made for the do-it-yourselfer and lasts up to a year. So this would be a great time to apply it. Pretty easy to apply. All you have to do is shake it up. First you start with a clean vehicle, which I washed it with AMSOIL car shampoo. Spray it on. And wipe it off. Good. Well, it's dry. Look at how that hood shines, huh? Are you kidding me? Look what happens. The water just jumps off the hood. Are you kidding me? Protect your vehicle today with AMSOIL ceramic spray. There'll be a link on this post where you can take a look at all the AMSOIL car care line. Thank you, folks. Until next time, take care. Folks, Jim the AMSOIL man here. Hey, thanks for watching. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it, especially if you love the content. And feel free to leave me a comment if you will. Also, if you want to get some AMSOIL product, visit MilwaukeeSyntheticOil.com. That's MilwaukeeSyntheticOil.com. Now don't let the name fool you. We ship all over the U.S. and Canada. So please visit MilwaukeeSyntheticOil.com. Thank you for watching. Take care.